Hello everybody here on Facebook and around the world. We are going to walk through one of our current listings that we have, which is 639 Whitman Cove here in Longwood. It's a beautiful little community. There are literally only 6 homes in this entire community. Just a little street. It's got a lot of potential here. Also, there is a brand new Publix less than a mile away, which, you know, if you like Publix subs like I do, it helps. So we're going to take a quick walk through this property, take a look at it, and let me know what you think. It's a beautiful home. Let me get you turned around here. So, beautiful home. This is a 4-bedroom, 4-bath, built in 2005. It has 3,645 square feet. There is a swimming pool. There are 3 full car garage here, which helps out when you have 2 cars and have that storage space that we all need. Nice grand entrance. Big, beautiful natural light throughout the home. And on a warm day like today, it is nice and cool inside. Beautiful tray ceilings, even here in the foyer. So you walk in, we have a formal dining right here to the left. We have nice engineered hardwood throughout the first level. You have a full bath downstairs across from, let me walk you around the corner here. Right here, we have a dedicated office. Let's see if I can get the French doors. There you go. A French door there. Let me walk around. So it's a good big room, plenty of space. So you can have your office space, you could have playroom, you could have a guest room, but we got more space upstairs. So this is the master. Again, tray ceilings. This has a laminate flooring throughout. Very, very large. Plenty of room for your king-size bed, couch, makeup area. You have access to the pool right from the master. Here we go. Very, very nice crown molding throughout as well. And here we've got her and her closets. I'd like to lie and say one of these is for the men, but it's not going to happen. Maybe we get that spot there. We all know how it works. Anyway, next door, same thing. Plenty of shelving. Lots of space to hang all your goodies. And we walk into the master bath. You have a large garden tub, very nice and quiet and tranquil to sit and relax after all those hard soccer games. Here we have dual vanities, hers and hers again, little space for the gentleman. And then this is a nice impressive feature, is a large shower. Oh, very nice, very clean, ready to go. As you can tell, the home is vacant. So you have opportunity to jump in before anyone else. They're ready for a quick close, obviously. We can get it done quickly for you, even in the current times. Let's walk down the hall here. So go past the formal dining. You have indoor laundry. Appliances are conveying as well, so they're going to stay. You have a nice storage underneath the stairs. Extra storage. You can never have enough storage. Big, beautiful kitchen, nice island, granite countertops, 42-inch cabinets. Again, microwave, oven, slide-in range, dishwasher, wine rack. It's beautiful in here. Looks out over a nice little casual room there. Family room, living room. You have a large pantry. My wife knows that I need a lot of pantry space for all my goodies. So, you have a little dinette area here, ready to eat in. Wood-burning fireplace. It's always a nice feature. No, it doesn't get cold here much, but it's nice to enjoy some s'mores now and again. Berkeley can tell you that for sure. Again, nice tray ceilings. Let's go upstairs before we head out to the pool area. Wrought iron rails, beautiful wood rails. Don't laugh if I start breathing heavy. I'm going upstairs. Okay, here we go. More tray ceilings. Big secondary living space up here. Nice home theater, gaming room. Kids could have their own private area up here. Nothing wrong with that. Mom and dad are downstairs. Okay, this is a great feature. I have to comment. This carpet is so soft. I like walking on it. So large bedroom here. Okay. Jack and Jill bathroom. Slow down a little bit here for you. Nice closet space. So you could have an in-law suite here. You could have kids have one side that's their bedroom, another side for a playroom, depending on how many kids. Nice shower toilet, which is separate, so you can easily everyone can get ready and not be crowding into each other. Again, dual vanity, same thing. Same size bedroom on this side, so no fighting on which room is bigger. Wonderful. Another closet space here. So again, very clean, ready to go. We need a buyer, so come on out. Let's see what we got here. Another bedroom. So this is number 4. So you have the Jack and Jill bedroom on the other side. You've got a single bedroom here. And then you also have the 4th bathroom here. Which is nice. You have matching countertops, matching granite countertops, cabinets throughout the home. Which is always a nice feature. I like when everything just flows so well like that. Let's head downstairs to the backyard. Oh, I think I missed the other bathroom for you. There we go. All right, it's a warm day. I think it was about 89 in the car when I got here. So how nice would it be to come home and cool off in a nice pool? You've got a hot tub area there, little spa space. Good yard space if you have a dog. If you have kids and you need a place for a playground, plenty of room right over here. Fenced off. And again, back to the pool. Wish I had time to jump in, but I do not. Oh, pool bath here. I think that's the one that I was not able to get to you guys yet. So again, this is 639 Whitman Cove here in Longwood. Beautiful 4-bedroom, 4-bath. Built in 2005. It is currently listed at $620,000. And it is ready for a new buyer. There we go. That was a little close. So hopefully you liked our tour. Give us a call. 407-412-8488. Thank you. Have a great day.